Cage back rope and racing. It's now Diamond Luster in the early part of the race, followed by Scarlet Sky Terror. Racing by the wheel third, Old Reliable, then followed by House of Riches. Around the outside now is Golden Harry, then followed by Pernambuco, Parin and El Cida. And going along for the first turn, Diamond Luster leads by some 2.5 lengths, followed now by Old Reliable. And moving up now the outside, third House of Riches, running by the wheel Scarlet Sky Terror, Golden Harry, El Cida. And entry number 2, Pernambuco, Parin is now running in the tail of the field. Passing the half mile, Diamond Luster leads by some 6 lengths now. Followed by Old Reliable, moving up now the outside, Golden Harry, El Cid, Scarlet Sky, Third House of Riches, and reaching the last 600. It is still Diamond Luster leads by some 4 lengths. Here comes El Cid now running second, and towards the last 400, Diamond Luster leading by length. Here comes El Cid, and running now in third by the 5 lengths, Scarlet Sky Terror, Golden Harry, Old Reliable. And towards the final turn, it's now El Cid from the outside, leads by some 3 lengths now, followed by Diamond Luster, Scarlet Sky Terror. And up the wire, it's all El Cid. And finally, El Cid, Scarlet Sky Terror.
7.436 nga yung ating datingan for race number 7. At sa klase ng tinakbo ni El Cid, parang bumalik na yung dati niyang buti. No?
Yes.
18.5, 24.5, 26, 28.5. Total time is 137.4. Para sa kabayo ni Mr.